Hi there, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. Today I forgot my registered email address and password. Actually, email ID I have remembered, but I don't have access to my email address anymore. So in this case, how you can log in to your website? I am going to show you right now. For this, you have to log into your hosting plan. So I have purchased hosting from the HostGator. So I'm going to manage order, list order, select your hosting plan. If you have any other hosting, you have to apply the same formula. Alright, it is very easy. Click on manage hosting. It is going to open the cPanel of your HostGator. Here go down and click on this WordPress manager by Softaculous. From the list, choose your website where you want to log in. Hence, I have forgot the password of this website. It is networkingplus.in. So I'm going to click on login and boom, the problem has been solved.